everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will tell the strategy of English in this video. If you are a beginner and do not understand how to do banking preparation, I will tell you each and everything in this video. I hope that the strategy of mentioned by me will be helpful for all of you. So let's start. I will explain on the copy which topic to cover first. Let's see. First of all, you have to study English with complete basic. You have to cover all these small topics like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, tenses and subject verb agreement. Attending lecture and it is also necessary to make notes together. What are all its rules, and it is also important to keep all this in mind. It is very important. The most important thing is to revise the notes daily 10 to 15 minutes. After covering all this topic, read the editorial. You have read the editorial daily because you have to get into a habit now. You can also read the novel instead of editorial because initially you have to put reading habit now. Reading the editorial or novel gives new words, which helps a lot in the banking examination. You can also read the Hindu editorial, but for beginners, I will suggest a novel or any editorial. New words, word meaning, vocab. Okay, you read daily editorial or novel for 21 days. For 21 days, you will get used to reading editorial. After that, you will read the Hindu editorial. After that, you will read the Hindu editorial because the vocab one of high level, which is the best for banking examination. Next, where to give beginners test. I will suggest that Textbook is the best app for beginners. From here you can give in quizzes, mock tests for each and every topics. You also do previous year question. You also do previous year question from each topic. Only then you will know which pattern of question asks. I am also a beginner and I follow the same strategy and I got a lot of help from this. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. All the best.